media are not real. When we don't check again, Ali. These people and the medias are not real. Because here what happened. When Brit did out here, and them a Brit a friend, and them a rink a ramp, and them a Brit a rank, you see him sell auntie. And them a Brit a rank, 719 you have auntie. And them a Brit a rank, and them a Brit a make how much money and a tear down how much millions. They fine with him. But now the girl, they use her. You know what they do? Them a Brit a go up the ladder, and Brit tap on the ladder, and jar them up a little bit for go up on the ladder, and then climb above Brit and kick off Brit off of the ladder for reach to the top of the ladder. So it's like them a Brit a walk go up on the ladder like this. Brit reach right here, so Brit jar them up on the ladder must come right here, so then step right here, so where Brit they come right here, so and kick off Brit. Them a Brit a go up on the ladder, so them the right here up on the ladder, Brit top right here up on the ladder, jar them up on the ladder must come right here, so they end up come right here up on the ladder where Brit they cross Brit come up here, so kick off Brit off of the ladder must reach at the top up here, so that's what happened. Because let me tell you something, you see these people at the media, all of them, and none of them never come here to say, alright then here what happened. We are going to help Brit. Come together. Me never saw no come and you could have joined, you can come together and say, alright, we're going to have a big match because it's all about money. You can come together and say, alright, then we're going to have a World Cup because it's all against money for build back unity. Why me not hear no now say, come, we're going to have a meeting. If I want, we have a meeting for Triple Life, for Rosalie Life, for World Dog Life, for Swissley Life, for Rebel Life, for Tikki Life, for Candy Life, for Destiny Life, for Shay Life. All of the rank of them are going to come together and we are going to join together and help Brit. Everybody are going to come within $20 like $10 we are going somebody are going to meet up at Jamaica, who can go to Jamaica, who they Jamaica, and we are going to find what doctor can go, what church go, try to help her. Only thing we soon go and Lord God Almighty and Brit that big up Shay, me and Shay no friend, but Shay fabulous. Shay don't know Brit for nowhere, and Shay meet Brit in the last after when Brit get fucked, and Shay a chai. Even Shay can go Jamaica, Arena go Jamaica, all if I pretend she a chai. All if I pretend she a child. Look how much of them will use Brit for reach and then reach them not child. They not try to help her none before. I not so try to help go. And them same one doing so. And them same one doing so. Yes, when Brit run TikTok, none of them. Alright, him John. None of them could get no views, no clout, no highlight, no fame, no money about it. Them fuck up Brit. What you mean by Brit no want help from him mama and him family? If you know how sometimes so mama do or so family do you're afraid of them like a pussy and you see them run your run. I run your run. I run your run when you remember what so family do. When me come through bad after me family them tell me them I send me money, me say let me no want none. I don't want it. Cause it'll be a whipping in me back America tomorrow morning. Cause when I come America and nothing I go and they beg more 20 lamb, I have him must give them. Yeah, go hear how much they give me. But my people, they must send more $10. They not look up back for them because they are helping me from a genuine heart. They might help me for me go. They might help me for me achieve my goal and my dream in a life. Who know go help me because I don't want to return back. Me never take none. Cause I know where to come with. That's what text me. I come the guys, look at who text me. Alright, and he's raising the money in the cash app, check back. So me know Shay do a great job. Me know Shay do a great job. I mean about Shay for that. I'm going to tell you what people, these people for TikTok. You see me for TikTok? Me sit down and watch and observe. Because enough people believe me I eat that, you know. Enough people all say, man, I take you for eat that, man, I take you for mascot, man, I take you for this. I sit down, the Bible say, watch your eyes, what they see. You have to sit down and observe things and watch things. And pick sense out of nonsense. Because all of them sit down and feel like me I that, you know. You see these people on the media, I want somebody on the media, I say be fearful, is Shibada. Shibada make one statement one day, tears out of me after that day, I love him. Shibada make one statement one day, after that day, I love him. Shibada no partial, nobody fi talk about them. When some of we come out all when we know so we friend wrong. We afraid to give we friend wrong. When we talk about everybody business, for instance, me a Candy a friend pa, you know. And for instance, me a Chef a friend pa TikTok. A Chef a my friend. And Chef do I me find everybody business talk about and me can't talk about Chef, not Shibada. Yes, when everybody wouldn't afraid to talk about Triple, everybody wouldn't afraid to talk about Roll Dog, everybody wouldn't afraid to talk about Perry, everybody wouldn't afraid to talk about So Cocky Tikki, everybody wouldn't afraid to talk about Candy. Shibada say a line what tell. For we are bring down everybody, the good, the bad, and the different. Not true, some have name, we not gonna bring them the money one them when have name we are bring down them. For a chat, we have to chat everybody. When a man wrong, we are gonna make everybody have the get them wrong. And for that day, me love him because you some people partial, some people must get them wrong, and some people don't talk about them friend and their friend wrong. Some people not gonna talk about their friend when their friend wrong. Some people not gonna talk about their friend as a topic. Some people not gonna keep use their friend name as a content. But what? Shibada come and Shibada say, when a man, when for we a chat, we are gonna chat everybody. We are gonna jog down everybody. We are gonna talk about everybody. And for that day, I'm looking to me say, but you know say that boy you a blood clot boy like me. Even if he sometimes he say certain things and me not say Shibada no fi go split me. Because probably I won't go through in him past life. Me and him are probably two different somebody because probably when people are cussing him, them are telling about him Batman's son in a film younger days when him are like 8, 9, 10 year old, them are cussing him, them are telling about him Batman's son. So when him a cuss back a girl now, him a go class a girl and tell a girl about them pitney too. And when Shibada said that, them look in Twitter and say, but you know say, analyze Shibada tell. Shibada say, for we are bring down, we have to bring down everybody. For we are class, we have to class everybody. It's unfair for we class some and don't class some. And for that, they up in my head. Shay do a great job. I mean, I look no friend for Shay, I share no friend, I mean, I want no Shay friend. But what the truth, the Bible says, speak the truth and speak it ever. Cast it what it will. If she did do something fuck around, if you come out and bring her down, we bring her down. If you did add brick on the phone screen, you see, uno people on TikTok, when uno give people them flowers, uno don't give people them flowers. Young thing want auntie. You see, if she did do something for him, something funny about you, and if you bring her down, we say, make big pussy share go. He knows say Brit head no good. And him a class Brit, but I share the add Brit on the life. I say, Brit, how you look so? I like him a scan Brit. I like him as a what did a mad girl yeah? What that mad girl on the way? Everybody ride him one whole a week. Cancel Shay. Instead this Bobrit, he do that Bobrit. But yet still she do a great job. She also cried on the life of Brit. She also bring it to attention to y'all attention for the media. Say she want to go Jamaica and go help Brit. Me no see no now give me flowers. Me no hear no see a great job. Even if she can't go, nobody know she can't go and nobody know she can't go. Immigration of Belgium alone could have called tell me so. Phone word against CR word. She know say she can't go. Uno know say uno in Chicago. Believe killer, believe cure. Uno believe that Chicago at that cure. No, she believes she can go at that cure her. Me not saying Chicago, me not saying no Chicago. I don't know nothing about him. Believe killer, believe cure. He believe that she can go cure her. And he believe that she cannot go cure you. That's it so. Me no business with that. But the greatest thing, if she even can go, she bring it to her attention that she can go. I mean, you nobody come and give me a lick of flowers. Water come and me eye when me see Brit. And all who are Brit used to rank and make much money per year. Me never hear them say, come, we are going to go for Rosalie live, we are going to go for Derrick live, we are going to go for Tikki live, we are going to go for Triple live, we are going to go for Swiss live, we are going to go for Roll Dog live, we are going to go for Perry live, we are going to go for Tanada live. All of them could have joined up and say, we have to try our help. Come make a look of flyer. And the 10th of January, the 12th of July, and that live as Dick Tam and Harry live, our brother John live, all of the rankers them are gonna link up, and we're gonna print cash up Zella PayPal, and all of we're gonna help Brit. So this and that person willing to go to Jamaica gonna help him. This and that person saying live at Jamaica willing to help him. Or 5 we are gonna help him. 5 we are gonna bring her back. If I would say come we take her and live with if I for 2 weeks. Somebody we are gonna rent to a house near we where we can see. We can rent to a house near we Where Brit can live, so we can see what the problem with Brit. If her mind, if her love she want, if her attention she want, if her convenience, all of them they something that we could bring her go to church, we could carry her go to doctor, we could see what's the problem with her. You know, now do that day. And all of you use Brit for the at the top. You know what happen now? I don't like me I tell. But you know can Brita's family, two Brit family them do Brit not even want to see them. I know money a Brit problem. Two Brit family do Brit no want to see them. You see sometimes how your family do you ever have a pitney yet? After you beat the pitney, sometimes you look on the pitney too hard in chimble. You ever have a pitney, if you pitney slip you beat him, boom boom. After if you look on him too hard in chimble. You ever have a pitney and when he go to the road, somebody used to play with him and play with him rough and the pitney feel like I hurt somebody, I hurt him and harm him when he look on somebody in ball. No, she not accept any help from nobody. How you know that you ever try to help her before? Don't talk of nobody what anybody said. And that's why you see me know up there the Brit, you know. I believe killer, I believe cure. Me, Tikki, Rick Russell, know up there the Brit. Me know up there. Me know up there na somebody. Me say they living out through demons. A 5 feet take over the little girl life. Me say they living out through dopey and try to two golf them a fight for one another. Cause God now allow them to take over Britain. You know? God now allow them to take over Britain. You know? It may be long but not forever. The devil a try to go in a Britain and try to overcome him. You see the two spirit them a fight against each other. The two spirit them a fight against each other. You don't know when you see even as somebody. Sometimes I go over Brit live and see Brit sit down so. And tears run out of my eye. Brit don't push away all no rankers. Not like that. It's a long story. Brit don't push away no rankers. It's a long story. That's why I say not every gift you must take part TikTok. And not everybody more have to go give me. Murder knows that I get somebody will get them good money. And their money come clean, give me a little honor or give me a rose. There's some people come with them blood money or some people come with their money when I come good and give me 5, 6, 7, 8 lion. Because the Bible says that everything will glitter gold. Me not drink this sour blood water. The Bible says and everything where glitter is gold. And everybody money more want and everybody give more. Brother knows me get $10 and it come good. And brother knows me can say young thing me get something. And he said more like roses. That's take some people if he send me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lion. Because you see that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lion there can probably destroy my whole life. That 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lion they can destroy my whole life. When me used to come market, me I sell all yam for $80 a pound and some people, me know say some people come buy for all 100. Me buy yam for $70 and sell it for some people to 80. And me know some people that give me $100 feet, but me don't want for them money. Cause by me put for them money in a bib, me can't find the rest of my money them. By me take for them $100, that's me should make $30 profit. Half 1,000 I me fi make $30,000. And when me put for them money in a for me bib, with for me good money, me can't find dollar. So you rather me take the $10 half of the $80, I can find the $10,000 half 1,000 yam. I know everything you get a goal. Give her with money. Give her with money. That's no give away money. I couldn't understand. Me buy yam for $70. Me know, for instance, young thing I buy for $100. I mean, what's a Kimmy Chromas I give me for $80. Me rather sell Kimmy Chromas for the $80 than I sell young thing for the $100. Cause you see when me sell young thing for the $100, me put young thing money with for me good money in the baby. Me can't find dollar. Me don't know where he gone. But when Kimmy Chromas give me the $80, me know what the $10 profit they say in a me baby. When me don't have me company money, me see the $10 profit separate. So enough time I rather compare, I could say young thing beg something and he give me a rose. That big so people give me lion, whale, tiger, dragon. Cause Bible say, I know everything where glitter is gold. Nothing glitter and even pearl glitter. Me know what spiritually part Britain, you know. Britain so. Britain so. You don't ever see somebody board their head yet? I mean, never see the people them part rankers them part TikTok. Everybody come, then can have the time. Must say, alright, Giant, we are going to play a World Cup. Because if you bring back unity, because it's all about money. Why would you never saw no Giant or World Cup or Giant? Everybody Giant for want somebody live and consider or find out how them are going to help Brit. Or everybody build a WhatsApp group and find out how them are going to help Brit. Everybody can say, alright, then we're going to have a match next week, Tuesday, with 1st to 5 with Chiawi. Why me never hear you say that the son will go help Brit? You never yet. And the whole I don't know what you do. The whole I don't use Brit for reach now, you know. And the turn around and obey Brit, you know. When me talk, I'm afraid nobody can broke up or with me, no. Nobody can obey me. Cause God round me, God with me, and God in me. You know what I want to use Brit, see Brit, yeah. Brit the right ass up on the ladder. And Brit jaw up on the ladder must come right here so. Brit the right ass up on the ladder, Brit jaw up on the ladder must come right here so. And end up step right ass up on the ladder. And kick off Brit. And reach up at the top of the ladder where you want to reach. Not her own family, but these people and the media have a lot to deal with it for Antifa England. Do not call nobody name for my life, miss. Moderator mute her. Did we tired your pussy tired more? So you see in a life, we have to just know say we give people them blood courage. And in life, we just prove our family, I prove our pitney. Because I not tell no lie, you know. You know, so when I see Brit daily, sometimes I cry. And I look into things and I say, God, is this world? I know an easy world. No, miss when my mother said, don't eat for nobody. Don't make nobody looking at your book. Don't make nobody touching at your head. Because some people evil. So people wicked. So people do nothing for no reason. You don't have to do nobody nothing for them their things. So people just look at your bad mind, you. So when they talk about Shay, our Brit situation, don't matter what. Shay, whenever you get your props, me I go give you props. Shandy, admin play too much, I come back, guys. But come play too